So just to give you an overview about Cadence and Tensilica, we are a leading vendor of semiconductor IP, specialized in DSP IP. We are quite mature. We have shipped over 50 billion processors over the past years since we have been in business. We are number one for DSP IP licensing, and usually number two for the overall processor IP licensing. But other than that, in terms of our maturity in the market, we are in a lot of semiconductor products that are out there. Top 19 of the 20 semiconductor vendors, we have our IPs in there. Tensilica licensees also growing, currently at 350, more than 350, and a very strong partner ecosystem across our various family of products. Aside from that, if you look at a number of segments where we are actually present in, we already have designs and taped out in various products in these spaces. We're in the AR, VR space, automotive, IoT, mobile phones, robotics, always on, data center, consumer electronics. And this is just the high level segments. If you go within the segments for the audio, video, we've got ASR, AON, all different types of acronyms of things we are present in. So we're quite a mature family with a lot of products that are in the field right now. So now that we've gone through the introduction of Tensilica, let's actually talk about sensor fusion, which is a topic about today. So why is sensor fusion so important? Well, there's a couple of reasons. One is sensor fusion means we're taking multiple sensory inputs, we're doing some magic with it, and we want to make our inference or detection or some sense of the data coming in. Well, it provides better quality because you typically have multiple sensors, maybe of the same type, that are feeding information in. The benefit of this is now you have two sensors that could compensate for the error that one sensor could have. Other than that, you also get more reliability because you could have redundancy. Two sensors looking at the same thing from a different perspective. And a different way of looking at it is also maybe combine the data by using sensors of different types. So one example is using image sensor with radar, maybe a color sensor with an IR sensor or a LiDAR sensor. And you can see all these different combinations of things that we can do. This way we can basically utilize each sensor strength and minimize the weakness that is there by combining multiple sensors to work together.